welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to be bringing you this video today. I have managed to find some Dandy's World codes working in 2025. These are going to supply you with tons of free Ichor, and you can also unlock all toon skins and trinkets for completely free. These are working codes for Dandy's World. And I spent hours this morning trying tons of different codes, guys. So I thought I'd create this video and show you probably the best currently working codes for Dandy's World. Like I said, you can obtain free Ichor and more. So let's get into it. Make sure you use your mobile phone and follow the instructions that I'm going to show you. I've opened up the internet browser and you've got to go to cold coupons. So type it like this, guys. www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys, and go to Cold Coupons. This is an awesome site. I've used them for tons of different promo codes and game codes. So you can have a browse and see what else they have. But if you go to the search bar here and search for Dandy's World, it should pop up like this. And there's two codes currently working in 2025 and available for you to grab. So you can see you can unlock all, and this is a Dandy's World unlock all toon skins and trinkets code. And you can also get 100,000 free Ichor in Dandy's World. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one in this example. And this is going to pop up, guys. And you can see there's a bit of information here, but this code is working and highly rated. So tap on Show Full Code, and this is going to look for a code and allocate you one. Only takes a few seconds for it to do this. And now it says your coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So it says here coupon code is locked, and you can see the code is hidden. Now you need to unlock your personal code, guys. Now I've already done this. I've already got my free Ichor, so I'm not going to do this again. But you essentially need to press on Get Full Code, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your Dandy's World code. It should take you about 5 minutes. It is completely free. I had to complete a couple of free tasks, and once I did that, it revealed my Dandy's World code, and now I got 100,000 free Ichor. So these are by far the best codes currently working in 2025. So head on over to Cold Coupons and just search for the Dandy's World codes page. And that is how to do it, guys. Pretty easy. So go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe if you got your free codes, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.